The migrants who are currently in Portugal and they are working in registered companies, they are paying taxes, they have tax numbers, and they didn't lock the file. Those were migrants are very important for me, because those migrants in my books, they are able by legal way to get the resident card. There is a good news. One person is in contact with a lawyer, and he is confirming that lawyer is telling that you can file your case because you are here and you are working in a registered company. Article 88, Article 89 clause never matter, because you are paying taxes, and that government is allowed you to work, and you have work permit. Mean that when you start work in company, mean you possess work permit, permission of work permit. There is no specific work permit in Portugal like Canada. When you start working, it means you possess work permit. It means you have job contract and you have had paid legal taxes, and you have NIF number, NIS number, and tax number of that country. So you are very eligible for a resident card. Lawyer is telling, I am not telling. I told in my last clip. This was my opinion, that nobody can refuse your application if you will go to the court, because I was not talking about Portugal, I was talking about international immigration law. International immigration law is that when you are working in any country and you are paying taxes and you are working 2 to 3 years and you have no criminal records and you are working in a registered company and you are following rules and regulations of that country, you are following laws, you are 100% eligible to get the residence of that country. So I was just imitating those rules for Portugal as well. Now currently the story came when person went to a lawyer, and lawyer was being told that I am working, I did not log file, I am working in a registered company. Similar words which I am speaking, he spoke. The lawyer told that is I don't know that lawyer is genuine or not, but he's telling that lawyer is very confident that I will win your case. So therefore this is a hopeful news. And if you are not getting any reply from the government must announce to save the money of these innocent people, that people who are working, they must be given compensation. And if you still want to get little bit information, you must search any genuine lawyer in Portugal, any good lawyer in Portugal. And if you are living there, you will have more information. You must go to the lawyer and talk with him that this is the status, I did not block the file. Just tell him 2 3 things by legal way. He will think by legal way, that you just tell him that I am working, I am paying taxes, I am working in registered company, I paid 3 taxes or 6 taxes. It's over. He will take your case, and if your case is presented in amicable and tenacious way to the judge, there is a immense chances that you will be able to get resident card, in my opinion, because the judge can't refuse when you are paying taxes. You just claim in the court, I am paying taxes and I am living here, I have a work permit, why I am not entitled to get the resident card? If article 88, 89 clause put me in any other article, I have work permit now, I am not without work permit, because that was 88, 89 without work permit. Now I am working with work permit. So with work permit, articles are different and rules are different, laws are different. And in Portugal's law and in immigration laws of the world, I entitled to apply for immigration. This is the way by which you can apply. I think you must think about that. And other people who are currently without job, I will tell one thing. You have only one chance. You open your own activity at the earliest. It may becoming very difficult to live in Portugal without something. If you will not do anything, you may be deported back to your home country. I'm telling you because these are the news. And because now Portugal Immigration Department is thinking that the people who are working, they will stay. The people who are not working and they did not lock the file, they have no right to stay in Portugal, and that's their right. And they are following the rules of developed country. What you need to do, you have to open your activity. If you are not getting job, you have to open your own activity. Just contact any good person who can help you in opening activity. Opening activity means you can start your own business. Never means you need to hire individual, never means you need a huge amount of the money. Even you are going to start your own work, just a delivery You may be able to get your own license, and no license even required to open activity, and you just give tax by one accountant by green slip, and then you will be able to stay in Portugal. The first step is stay, then immigration. First step is stay, that you are able to stay legally in Portugal or not. Currently, you people are fighting for stay. The people who are not doing job, the people who are doing job, there is no problem of stay. Because whenever police will come, or AIMA department will come, or any security forces will come, they will just show them job contract, and they will tell that I am working in this company and there is no any problem, and I am paying taxes, so I am very respectable person, and I am a respectable person, and I am paying taxes in the government. Definitely they will respect you and they will not say you anything. But when you will say I am jobless and not doing anything, I am just useless, and I did not log file, the people who did not log file, they need to show their work to the security forces. I am telling again. Therefore, if you are not able to get work permit, you need to open your own activity. That's essential, that is indispensable to stay in Portugal these days. That's the new rule may be formed, that the people who are working, they will be compensated and they will be able to log file. In my opinion, in the future, some announcement will be expected from the Portugal government. If you want to stay for some time, if you want to wait for some time before going to the lawyer, that's also a positive point. I will give both options. I will say you can consult with lawyer if you are in a hurry. If you want to wait something, no problem. But keep working in that company and keep fulfilling the requirement of file log, which is 6 legal taxes, and with the 6 months legal work in a genuine registered company. Please don't desert when you will listen sessions from the social media people that you want to quit. There is no chance. I'm telling, there is chance. You just think by yourself. You have brain, you have mind. If you are just paying taxes to one country, that country will refuse you or will accept you. That country cannot at least deport you. I told the people they can deport who are without work and they have only chance of opening activity. I am telling again and again, please do your own business if you are not getting job, because when you will do your own job, you will be able to save yourself and you will be able to stay, and you have opportunity, because in the future you may not be able to go to Portugal and you may not be able to get immigration, because this is your golden chance if you are present. Because in my opinion, the people who are currently in Portugal might be given chance without work as well, but that's chance. Why you are going with chance? Why you are not going to open your own activity? Thank you very much.